Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in this video I'll tell you that how you can create a realistic video using Perplexity. Okay, you saw that you can other people make a video on using BO3 or any soda in JetGDP, but you can also make a realistic video using Perplexity free. Okay, it is free because if you go for making any videos using video BO3 or ChatGPT soda, you have to pay the price. Okay, otherwise you cannot make a video. But in Perplexity Pro, I'll also tell you how you can get you the free version of Perplexity. Okay, if you have a Airtel user, you can easily get 1 year free Pro subscription. Okay, that costs around 70,000 I think. Okay, per month 2,000. You can get it easily free if you have a Airtel SIM. Okay, in the later video I'll show you that how you can get it free in the another video. But in this video I'll show you how you can make a realistic video using Perplexity. Okay, so let's get started. So first you have to just open the Perplexity and you have to need a pro version. Okay, you can make a 5 videos in a month I think using pro version. Okay, and if you have a max version, so it will give you more, around 15 videos I think. So let's give a prompt and let's see how is the video. So I just write down the prompt. I just paste it. Just give me a short prompt. Okay, you don't need to write if you write it's okay, but if you don't know that how you can write a good prompt, so you can just written like simple prompt. Okay, a modern office with people working on a laptop, large digital dashboard on the wall, and cinematic lighting, ultra realistic. Okay, yes, I just give the simple prompt and see the magic. List, send, list. Let's see how is the video. It will take time because it is needed lots of power requirements behind this. So let's see. So it is get image, so I have to write down the I modern office, so I just write down the image. I have to mention the video about create a video. I have to mention it. I just forget to mention it. That's why it's get the image also good. You will see this, the image is very good, nice. You can create also image. Okay, if you have to write this type of prompt, they give you the creator image. So I'm write down that create a video on, let's see. You can also create image also like this. Okay, this image is very realistic, like this. You can see this, you can use anywhere. This image is very realistic image. Okay, so let's see the video. Let's wait for a minute. Let's see the video. Let's see, video is created. So let me play it. Just it's a good stuck sometimes. so realistic. You cannot find out that it's making by AI. It looks like that it's actually humans are sitting on the decks and they're working, and behind is lots of dashboard. Okay, so this video is very realistic. You can download also it from over here, and you can use it anywhere. Okay, so this is how you can make a simple video or also get an image like this, just giving this small prompt. Okay, just giving a small prompt. Okay, so if you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up, and thank you.